We are approaching Lake Tekapo, and that lake is seriously crazy. It is so blue. It's turquoise.
It's like, yeah, it's a kind of a weird blue.
It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, that historic church is right around the corner. Should we go? So we're just taking a little stroll up by the Mackenzie district, and we have a really cool view in the back of us. And the little famous Church of the Good Shepherd's right there. Beautiful fall colors. My favorite time of the year.
Definitely.
I don't know, I think we kind of missed out on fall the last little bit, but it's definitely my favorite time of year. Not because there's Thanksgiving and Halloween, but because it's always calm and so relaxing. And you know, it's like peaceful and almost Christmas, although it really isn't right now. Well, we can only pretend. Look how clear the water is. From far it looks turquoise, but when you're up close it's just clear right through. See the rocks and whatnot. Oh, there's a guy fishing. I hope he catches stuff. Such a cool view. And cool place. That's the famous Church of the Good Shepherd. It was built for the early settlers here, and then that's a cool looking bridge, and that looks like the planetarium, whatever, little dome shaped thing. Can't really see it from here.
So yeah, that bridge is
that a
just
pedestrian
a pedestrian
bridge?
walkway, and then there's another one a little farther up that we're gonna go across.
There's this building. So we just got to our backpackers, but we got a private room and our own bath.
So this is a nice little.
So
This is a nice little spot,
this
but
is pretty basic. Like, you don't have all the toiletries and everything, but we have
yeah,
a little toilet, a nice shower, and a couple face towels. I don't know if they have towels. If they don't, well, we have some. We'll
Yeah.
just wash it later. And
fairly
then-
basic room.
Oh, we do
but-
have towels right here.
Yeah, we do have towels
It's
there.
A fairly basic
Nice
room.
little bed.
Little bed. And
But-
then yeah, a little area to put our luggage. Oh, we can buy toiletries from the reception area. But we do have a wonderful
We have the lake view, Lake Tekapo. So this is nice.
We can even see the Church of the Good Shepherd from our
right there.
room. And the other thing about this place is that we do have a shared kitchen, and
We've got a shared
dining
kitchen and a
room and
lounge
lounge.
upstairs. So
yeah.
nice little spot. We do have a TV too. I don't know that we've hardly ever used them.
Oh,
but
and it says push for heat. Oh yeah.
we don't really need that right now.
Kinda. I can't turn it off now.
Just leave it alone. Okay. Well, we'll go get our
Anyway,
luggage.
and then we'll show you the lounge
we'll-
later. Okay. There's a fridge. There's a
Anything on the bottom shelf is free for anybody to just take.
yeah,
Okay.
which is just like butter and maybe a pesto that we can use for our pasta. It depends on when it expires. So we're going on a little pre-sunset walk. I think that the sun goes down later over here. And yeah, it's beautiful up. As you can see, I was super excited to be at Lake Tekapo, and to finish off the night, we listen to this guy tell stories about the stars, and he gave out fresh roasted chestnuts. It was amazing. It was quite the experience, and I'd certainly go back again.